So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple tracks, video tracks, audio tracks, and so many things. Not even so many things, just tracks in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump right into it. In order to create a video track in Davinci Resolve, all you have to do is to come in here, right click and click on add track. Then it just adds a second track in here. The same thing applies to the audio track. So all you have to do is to right click, come to add, then you can choose if you want to add a stereo or a mono track or any other type of track that you want to add. So another thing too is you can add tracks, and then all you have to do is to select maybe the number of tracks for your video and your number of tracks for the audio. Then you click add, then it's going to add video 3 and the video 2. This is how you can create audio and video tracks in Davinci Resolve. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next upload. Or in the next video. Which one do you prefer? Leave that in the comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.